I'm gonna try it. Just output this thing.
Oh, okay, it's getting extended now.
Yeah.
Careful.
Well, let's see what happens.
Yeah, I think it's to maybe 160. Yeah, nice 2-minute pattern.
Yeah. ALLY is still going down.
Oh, yeah? Okay, let's figure out a way to get into that one. ALLY, that's a nice gap. It's a pretty big gap, so we got to be a little careful, but I think outbrooksing that is not a bad idea. It just had a smaller bar. Oracle's going up a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice outlook.
Yeah, I think around here is a good spot to take a partial.
Yeah, I'm kind of locking in on most of it.
Yeah, I think that move is a little bit big.
Yeah.
It's almost to that. I think everyone's trying to get to that 160 here, but it might not have a. Might need to pull back. Looks like one. Yeah, I could see it get to about 160 and then pull back right here.
Dang, ALLY and SYF will keep going down without me.
Which one? S what?
SYF.
SYF. Okay. Okay. SYF. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we just need to find a way to get in that one, but that's nice.
Thing still going.
Yeah. Here we go. 160. Okay. That's probably the spot.
Yep. Good spot to just lock it in.
Yeah, it looks pretty big.
I should be going 2 minutes, but I'm doing what our guru is doing. Like, yes.
I know.
Lock it in.
Definitely looks like it's about to 160 and then pull back. One.
Oh gosh, damn it. Missed the entry.
Okay.
HPE could be a short HPE.
Yeah, that looks great. I think it's gonna, yeah. All right, here comes Oracle to the downside. Probably one drop here.
HPE triggers me in.
Yeah, I'm jumping in more. I like it.
Okay. Hopefully the target is below day.
Yeah, I think it definitely could be. For sure. Expecting a pullback any second.
On Oracle.
Yeah, I think Oracle is going to pull back. Maybe 150, 158.
Well, you can only react, cannot anticipate.
Yeah, exactly. All right, here comes Oracle to the downside. Probably it's 158. And then we could hopefully get a pullback here. Come on. Yeah, I think 150. There we go. There's that pullback that we expected. I'm going to try to pick it up long.
Yeah. What about Nike? Should I shoot Nike?
Nike?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's going down, it looks probably a good idea.
Is it?
I mean, is it
facing-
underneath the moving averages? And does it have room?
There's some room.
Okay, well, yeah. Not a bad idea.
Yeah, I mean, alright, let's try it.
Come on, baby. All right. Okay, Oracle's pulling back, like we figured. We'll pick it up when it goes down.
No long L. God damn it. Oracle. Yeah.
Just wait. I think we're gonna get a VWAP pullback here. I think HPE, we're just gonna have to give it some time. I got out of it.
Yeah, me too. Maybe we should go long.
Yeah, possible. I mean, it's right underneath the moving averages, though. It's like saying
Yeah. Yeah. Nike is working.
Yeah, so is NVIDIA, which is good. I'm going to lock in some of that right there.
It's also Amazon.
Ah.
Dang, ALLY. Just keep going down.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't taken a partial yet on it.
Nice.
Just holding it, but we'll see. Starting to get a little extended, right? Okay. BA looks great for a short, maybe, underneath the low here. Has to set up a little bit better, I think, but looks good.
In the daily looks good.
Yeah. I try to pick up some Oracle here at the VWAP.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Tesla looks good for a long.
I got a long earlier. This failed me.
Oh, it's the volatility in the morning, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So Oracle got over to that spot. Let's see, it goes down a little bit more. Oh,
Hey.
BA just triggered.
There you go, BA.
There we go. Okay. There we go. Come on, buddy. I wanted a little bit better of a more consolidation, but I'll have to do. This I'll have to do. And then, you know, SYF. Might be able to get this long eventually. Come on, BA. Wow, platform is so slow. Tesla's shooting up. BA is looking good for downside. Oracle's bouncing right here. Got a level 1 on the 2-minute.
Okay.
What is going on here? Come on, level 1 on the 2-minute. Let's see if we can get this move.
Which one are you looking at?
On Oracle?
Oh.
We're going on the 2-minute. I'm going to try I tried it on the 2. Let's see if we can get this move a little higher.
Okay. Alright.
There we go.
Become the 5 minutes. Let's see now.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if BA can keep going for us.
Yeah. Nike looks great.
Nike?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Nike. Oh yeah, level 1 right there. Great job. Is that the one you took?
Yeah, I took that one.
That's nice. That's really nice. All right, I like this HPE here. Just gonna give it a little bit of time. It's got a level 1.
HPE looks
Forming
like
on a 2-minute.
HPE looks like a long now.
Which one?
HPE looks like a long.
Oh, okay.
Of course, when I got in, it will come down on Oracle.
Okay, HPA triggered a level 1 to the downside now on a 2-minute. So let's see if it can get the move. Which one am I? Oh, yeah. Okay. BA looks like buyers are stepping in right here. All right, come on.
Dang, look at Nordstrom, JWN.
Which one? Sorry.
JWN.
JWN. I remember that one was a bearish chart. Oh, nice. That's actually really good.
Yeah.
That's an Al Brooks style because, see, yesterday had a nice consolidation. I can't get filled on it, though. Wow. Yeah, that's good. There we go. The video looks like it's at resistance here on the daily, so that makes sense that it would go down a little bit. Okay, come on, HP. Trying my best to. Okay, I triggered a level 1 on the 5-minute, so now I'm adding. I did that 2-minute up there.
Okay. Nice, nice.
I figured that's a new high failure off the 2-minute chart.
Yeah.
And so I was like, okay, you're gonna play that game with us. Trigger everybody out, get everybody to stop out, including myself. I stopped out at break even before it happened. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing a little bit better at getting out break even.
Okay.
You know what? This SYF might be a good long right here. A little long, a little climactic, move back up, and then to the VWAP, then we short. You know?
Yeah.
The video looks like it still wants to go down, to be honest. Look at those topping tails. But I just don't like the location. It's the same thing with ARM. Like ARM, I love the pattern. I like that it came back up, hit the VWAP. But the location is so bad because it's like basically stuck right in that little spot. So I'm going to pass on that location. Oh, Nike's working great.
Yeah.
You're right at the low where you should probably be taking a little bit of partial, right?
Yeah. Taking a partial right here at 2 minutes.
Nice, good job.
And taking on the rest will be on the 5-minute.
JWN. Well, it seems like JWN is still going, but very slow. It looks like there's no volume or anything. We gotta find something else to trade here rather than NVIDIA. GM. Oh, GM. That's a pretty nice pattern right there. Level 2 Foreman.
We missed that entry. GM and
I know.
Ford. Yeah.
Oh, Oh, that's a good gap. AU. It's starting to finally get bearish.
Yeah.
We missed the entry, so let's just wait for the right entry and then we'll get in. So yeah, I used the 2-minute on Oracle to get in and then the 2-minute to get out. So it was basically a break even. And I think it's still going to set up for a long, but I'm not going to be using this 2 minutes entries anymore. They're kind of crap.
Yeah.
Should just wait for 5-minute entries. It's better. Tesla's still going up. Nice. Let's see. Do I want to try to go against the trend on Tesla? 2 minutes still going up, so no, probably not a good idea. Still charging to the upside. Oh, ALLY just triggered a long.
Oh yeah.
So that's a level 1 right there. I think that's good. I think we got room up to 34 right here.
So we short Oracle.
Short Oracle? I don't know. It's at the VWAP. I'd be a little careful. I'd actually be thinking buying down here.
Yeah.
It may totally flip and become a short, but I don't know. It's a little tricky.
Dang, Tesla keep going without us, huh?
Yeah. Don't worry. I think the top is about in on Tesla here. And you kind of see that the bulls are starting to become weaker. Wow, Oracle, what a crazy move. All right, well, we got to wait for that setup, and we'll take it. I got the ALLY long, but I'm watching the 2-minute here just in case. Oracle looks good. I like the pullback here. It's underneath the VWAP, so I'm a little bit hesitant, but what I'm going to do is go in with smaller shares, and I'm going to look to add.
What, you shorting Oracle, right?
No, I'm going to go long on
Long.
Oracle when it triggers the level 1.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like this would be an ultimate trap for anybody trying to short it right here.
Yeah.
But you might be right. I'm going to also take a short later on that ALLY. I'm in it long right now. It doesn't seem to be moving anywhere, but this could just be a one-off move.
Yeah. I'm a special sauce kind of thing.
Yeah, that's true. This could be a special soft right here on Oracle too, right at the moving averages.
SYF still going down.
It is, yeah. I got out of that a little too early. I'm going to get out of HPE here at break even. I don't want to do what I did yesterday and just give things back. I do like that I do like that HPE is giving us a range, so that's great. But I don't like that it's doing what it's doing. It needs to trigger soon to go down a little bit better, but whatever. Okay, still waiting on this Oracle thing. I guess you could have scalped it to the downside. You know, it's not bad. Might try it long now. wait for the next bar. Next bar will give us the level 1 that we need. Oh, it's triggering already on the 2, I think. Tesla looks like a good possible short right here, to be honest.
Adding to this Nike, see what happens.
I like this. Oh, look at BA still going down. Nice.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
I think LI is gonna be choppy for me. It's kind of gonna bleed me out if I keep trading it.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
To just stop trading it.
Exactly. Okay, HPE just triggered better now. I like it a little bit better. There we go. I'm adding to the position. Hopefully it doesn't fail me this time. I'm going to get out of BA here.
Why?
I'm seeing that I'm right at support right here, and I'm a little worried that it's going to bounce without me. But you're right. I should have just waited. Okay, I think here comes Oracle. Next bar.
Would you go in again, Jason? Oracle.
Yeah, if it triggers.
Oh. We miss NX short.
Sorry, which one?
NX.
NX. Okay, let me take a look. NX. Oh, that's good. Yeah, we did miss that. That's nice. All right, come on, Oracle. It's triggering on the 2-minute. You could jump in a little early here if you really wanted to. Looks good. This fucking HPE is driving me insane. I have to stick with my rules though and get out break even whenever it does what it's doing. So I might just do it again. Get out break even.
Oh. No.
Hey, look, you'll see the exit on BA.
Oh. Yeah, I'll do that.
I think that was a good idea. I think it was a good spot.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the reason why it worked so well is the big wide range bar. I feel like that was like the ending bar, you know?
Yeah. Did you get out of Ally yet?
Yeah,
I absolutely did a special sauce on it and it's worked.
Oh, nice, man.
Worked
Yeah, I
better
was
than
thinking
thought.
of doing the same thing. That's awesome.
I didn't expect it to work so well. That's the thing.
Wow, that's great. You know, if you didn't want to do the special sauce, you could have just literally went off the 2-minute. I see where
That's
you
true.
got where the 2-minute
True.
triggered a level 1.
Yeah.
That's exactly where I got out. So it's like if you had just shorted right there, that would have been almost equivalent to a special sauce, right?
You're right, yeah.
So for every special sauce, there's always some sort of level probably that's doing its thing. All right, I'm putting my stop loss here, moving my stop loss on HP down here. So annoying. Still waiting on Oracle. Looks like it's not triggering yet.
Nope.
Would have been a pretty good level 1 short, to be honest. You know, we got out slightly before it topped. But if we had done the level 1 short, that might have been a cool tactic as well. And now, you know, it might even go back down to the 20.
I don't want to counter trend this VIPS.
Okay, let's take a look. VIPS.
Can we get out of this one?
Yeah, I can see what you're saying. It's up into resistance here on the daily chart. There's that moving average above.
It's also open. It's also getting into the moving average, so I'm not so sure about it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah.
Oh,
Might just be one of those ones to just, go in small, so you don't really destroy yourself if it just becomes a chop fest.
Nike
There it
still
goes.
going down.
Yeah. Look at that. Nike, great job, man. Good trade on that level 1 right there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Did you short Tesla?
I didn't short Tesla, no. Unfortunately, I didn't do it. It looks great though.
The market is down.
Oh, well, there you go.
Market's dropping. Should we jump back into BA?
Maybe if the market is going down, it's
market is down. But then look at HPE, like barely moving.
I know that's what's making me think like maybe HPE is not going to go today.
No.
It's like everything else is going. Even Oracle, that was super bullish, is not able to get off the ground now because of the market. So that's a little odd, right? It's like you're hoping that HPE can move, but it's not.
Wow, JP Morgan would be a good short.
Let's take a look. JP Morgan. What's really crazy too, though, is Apple.
Holy cow!
Oh my gosh, JP Morgan! What the heck is
it was
going on?
Pre-market.
Why didn't you tell us?
Oh
my gosh! I would have shorted this in a heartbeat. In a heartbeat, Lynn. If you had told me like 10 minutes ago, this would have been. I would have said, "Oh my gosh, we're forming a level 2 right at the 200 period moving average on the 5-minute. Oh, if it squeezes through that, that's like one of my favorite visuals to see when I've been analyzing stocks. Whenever I come across all the moving averages above, but the 200 below, and then it breaks the 200. We're talking on the 5-minute chart. That usually leads to a gigantic move. Because Oliver Velez says something about narrow states and wide states. He says that all really good moves happen from narrow states. And the narrow state is when you have all the moving averages in close proximity. And a wide state is when they're all in wide proximity, right? So he says what happens is if you have the 200 below the price, the VWAP above it, the 8 above it, and they're all kind of squeezing, it's creating sort of like a little bit of a squeeze going to happen. And then when that squeeze finally breaks to one side and the moving out and everything breaks underneath that 200, that basically creates the wide state that you want to get in. But oh my gosh, next time just let me know because that would have been like a 5-hour trade right there with no emotions too, just letting it just do its thing would have been.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you guys JP Morgan and Wells Fargo.
Oh dang, okay. Yeah, just yell next time.
Okay.
The bank stock is dropping like a brick today.
Yeah, that would have been really good. Oh my gosh. Here I am just sitting in HPE. It's doing nothing. Just moving my stop loss down. Oh my gosh. And of course, JP Morgan's still going. Oh my gosh.
I mean, the bank stock is just dropping. Wow. How do we even get into this?
And the market is dropping too. I don't know how we get in now. It's like, we're talking, that's the wide range bar. Those are like usually.
Ally is a bank.
Are they all going though? Like basically just following JP Morgan now?
Ally is not dropping like the rest of the bank, but it's a bank.
Gosh. Well, don't take the ones that aren't dropping, because then they're gonna. When the banks bounce, those ones are gonna bounce even more. You know.
SYF could be a long. SYF.
Yeah, SYF. Okay.
I don't know about Nike. I don't think
Ah,
Nike can go any.
TA, how are you doing now?
Oh, just 2R at the moment.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm a little bit over 3R. So basically,
I'm just gonna
I'm
get
not
out
at my
of.
5R, but my time is basically becoming is
Oh,
going up.
NX bounce should be long here. NX,
And X, okay, let's take a look.
nice hammer.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, definitely you can take that level 1 right there. Okay, Oracle's setting up for a level 1 right here.
Yeah.
I might go in with very small shares because I don't like that it's below the VWAP. So I might actually wait for a secondary entry actually on this one, especially since the market just keeps dropping.
Yeah.
Okay, HPA finally going.
HP finally.
Freaking gosh. What a nightmare, man. This thing has been like,
Wow, JP Morgan doesn't stop.
I know, and I can't figure out a way to get in either. It's like, I think definitely HPE, when it gets to the low of day, I'll probably get out of it. All right, let me go check out. My dog is barking.
Oh, okay.
All right, buddy, let me see what's going on.
Okay,
What's going on?
okay, bye guys.
Oh. I don't think.
Oh, are you
well,
still there, TA?
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
still
still-
here. I was just checking my dog. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay.
He normally. Oh, there goes HPE back up. Yeah, I'm just moving my stop to above the VWAP. If it gets above the VWAP, I'm out of there.
Yeah.
I think that unfortunately it might just be one of those long sideways days on HPE, and just don't want to deal with that anymore.
The IPS is triggering a 50-minute level 1.
Yeah.
Dang it, Nike might keep going down. I was like sitting in the choppy area, so I'm like, I'm just gonna get out and reassess what's the direction I wanna do, but now it's just gonna go down.
Looks like, yeah, I mean, looks like a setup for me, maybe. If it consolidates down near this time, you might, have a nice little entry. Of course, HP coming back up. There we go. Oh, your VIPS is working great.
Well, unfortunately, I didn't show it. I was
Oh,
looking
okay.
for a long.
I thought you were going to do it, but super small.
Yeah, I didn't do it. I was looking like maybe it's gonna go long, so I put an order for a long.
Oh, okay.
Nah, it's never triggered.
It was in a good location for a short. If you look to the left, there's all that resistance up there, and then there's the moving average as well. So it wasn't a bad place to take it short. It just, the pattern wasn't that great for a short. It wasn't like super climactic. But hey, when the market's doing this thing, it's going to pull everything with it. So maybe that's also the reason why it's working better.
Yeah.
Take a look at STEP, step. See, that pattern looks great. And same with the UAU. But the only reason why I don't want to take any of these, even though the patterns look great, is I'm suspect of why they're not going down when the market's going down.
The market going down only on a certain sector, not everything go down.
Yeah, but usually the market controls about 90% of all stocks. So to some degree, So for instance, VIPS, is had a nice drop just because the market, and you can see Oracle trying hard to go up, but it's having a hard time,
I don't think all of VIPS really controlled by the market. The market dropped, but VIPS was still above the 8, and now it's gave up, and now it's dropping.
Okay, yeah, that's true. It could be on its own page too.
Somewhat on its own page, but definitely
Yeah.
It's getting weak now. I don't know if we should jump in or outgroup that thing.
Which one?
VIPS to the downside,
Oh
maybe.
yeah, no, I won't. I don't. I tend to not do any Albrooks on anything that's counter trend. Like for instance, like let's say VIPS triggers a level 1 right here, just a single bar.
Yeah.
I'd be a little bit worried about that because of the of the fact that I want to do more special sauces or level 1s
With the trend.
with the trend. Yeah, I think I have better odds. Like
Yeah.
what you did with ALLY,
Yeah.
Like that people like for instance even JP Morgan right here, this one bar up, knowing that most likely people are just trying to cover their shorts.
Yeah.
Or Oracle, buying Oracle right here, knowing that the trend is up. Not a bad idea. Woo! There we go.
Level 1 for Oracle.
Level 1 just triggered. Okay, let's see if we can hopefully get a move on this one. This will be my last trade, I think. I'm playing with super small shares. Risking about a quarter of an R. Looks like it's going to fail on us.
Look at Baba. Look at Baba for potential long.
Oh yeah, Baba is good. BA. Yeah, that looks great. All right, Oracle took me out for a quarter of an R loss. I'm not going to trade it anymore. Look at the pullbacks; they're so bad. As long as the market keeps dropping, see, the market had a little bit of a move up.
Yeah.
And Oracle had a move up, and then the market said green bar, green bar, no thank you, red bar, here we go. Yeah. And then Oracle's like, oh, okay, I guess I'll follow you, market.
Oh, look at Walmart.
Now it's going back up.
Check out Walmart.
Check out which one?
Walmart.
Okay. Let me see. Oh gosh, amazing. Dang.
Yeah, JP Morgan go again.
JP Morgan level 1 right here. Oh gosh, I can't do it. It's too extended for me. So the moving average is so far away from price.
Yep.
If you take this,
it's like $5.
Yeah, it's so far away.
Dang it, now Oracle going back up.
Yeah, I tried it one more time. This time full risk.
All
so
right.
We'll see.
Dang it, it's going too fast. Dang, Nike's still going down.
It's pretty fast. There we go. Come on, Oracle. Get through that one. Get all the way to 159 at least before you pull back on me. Baba, still no entry, too, right?
No entry.
Just waiting on it.
Look at LI, there may be a potential long.
Oh, also SYF right here. Kind of want to try it. SYF. Okay, Oracle's working good.
Come on, squeeze. Come on, Oracle, squeeze.
Yeah. There we go. Now that the market's finding a little bit of a bottom, Oracle's starting to find some buyers. And I love the Hikaki bar too on Oracle.
Yeah.
You could take a long here on SYF if you wanted. That's a level 1.
What about HPE?
Oh, I took that off my chart. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. I think HPE sideways all day, stay away. But that's just me. It looks like there's no direction at all. But I think if you decided you're going to trade like it's a range bound stock,
Oh,
You're gonna give yourself a super wide stop loss.
yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
think you're okay.
Check out BA. Should we long that?
BA, okay, yeah. Let me see. BA. Yeah, you could do a long right here. That's a level 1.
No. No, moving average right above it, so I'm thinking maybe wait for a short.
Yeah, wait for it. You know what? Actually, a good thing now that you mentioned that. If the moving average is right above it, wait for it to get above the moving average, pull back down to the moving average and use that as support, and then take it long. Like a higher low. Wait for like a higher low kind of thing.
Yeah.
Rather than try to get the bottom. You'll be late in the move, but you'll be so much more confident that you got the move, you know?
Yeah. Ooh, Oracle worked out great.
Yeah, it's going. This is nice. I made back my loss from the earlier one, which is good. And because I went full risk unit now on it, I'm up about an R as well. I'm watching that 2 minute like a hawk, you know?
Baba would have worked. I mean, not BA, but then, yeah, no confidence in that long.
Yeah, I didn't have confidence either. I think the area, though, it's just kind of like VIPS. I think the area was a good area. Same with this SYF. I had no confidence in it, but it's going so far. Oracle's starting to find a little bit of resistance here. Don't like that. Oh my gosh, JP Morgan. Still going. Jeez. What happened? Something really bad in the banks must have happened to trigger this.
It was up pre-market. Look at how much they were up pre-market.
Yeah. But I wonder what the news was that came out, because as soon as the market opened, it dropped and then did that pattern. So I'm thinking maybe, let's see.
Same as the Wells Fargo, pre-market was high. Look at that.
Well, you know, there's this 4 week bill announcement. I don't know what that means. And then there's a 3-year note auction. I have no idea what those things are, but those are economic events. And that happened at 8. No, that's not even happening yet. So I don't even know. I have no idea. But yeah, JP Morgan is definitely still going. You could have taken that one and it would have been fine.
It's after the green doji, huh?
Yeah. I was just scared to try it because I'm seeing the distance. If I jump in there and I think I'm going to get 1 arm move on it, which is, I guess, about now, you get 1 arm move. I'm looking at my stop loss has to be above VWAP, so about 211. So I'm expecting about here is where you'd have to start taking a partial. And then if it comes back up, I don't know, I just felt like it was too far away from the VWAP and the moving average. But then again, it's like, no, this is working. When the news is there or whatever it is, it doesn't seem like it has you don't have to worry too much about perfect.
Market is trying to go up.
Yeah, oh wow, yeah, the market is skyrocketing now. Look it back up, retracing a lot of that move.
Look at Ally, man. It's kind of strong compared to the other bank.
Yeah.
VIPS could be a 3-ball play to the downside.
Yeah, also we could take that SYF when we get a. You know what I'm going to do actually? On SYF, I'm not going to take the first level 1 that I see. I'm actually going to use that as a possible. Oh, here's Tesla level 1. I'm going to use the SYF as when it triggers a level 1. If it triggers it shallow,
yeah,
I'm going to think that's probably going to be a failure and it needs to go back up to VWAP. And then I'm going to take it long. I'm going to take it long over a level 1 to the upside and then take the short when I get back up to that moving average. Okay, it looks like we found a bottom. Yeah, Boeing going up now.
Yeah.
Reducing my share size on everything now.
This LI is not going at all.
All right, I'm all out of Oracle. I'll jump back in later if it, if
Yeah.
it triggers another setup here.
Yeah.
Now that it's above the VWAP. Wow. Okay. What a psycho day. These days like this at the market are just really keep you on your game. Because you have to be so good at just like getting out of trades that, you were possibly even having a great trade on. So many just break even moves. And,
GM has a level 2 going.
oh yeah, I see that. That's great. Let me see. GM looks nice. Yeah, very nice. I like the moving average that it caught up. The 8 caught up. I would love the 20 to catch up. So if I do this, it'd be really small shares because the 20 is not caught up. Also, look at that VIPS now, triggering a level 2.
Oh yeah, full ball.
Yeah.
I'm looking at X. Maybe I'm thinking of taking the short on X.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember the daily was pretty bearish on X. Let's take a look here.
Nike's still moving down.
I know.
Amazing, yeah. Yeah, X looks great. I think we missed the right entry though.
Yeah, but this kind of forms somewhat of a level. So let's see if we can keep going.
Okay, I get it. Well, think about this for just a second, okay? If you took the level 1s, every time it comes back up, you could have gotten out break even easily or made a little bit of profit, right?
Yeah.
If you take this right here, your stop needs to be above VWAP, right? And your target to the next pivot is right there, 30.66, right?
I'm looking at the 15-minute and it looks like it could go down, but yeah, you're right. That pivot is like right there, so the odds is pretty bad, I guess.
Yeah, like basically what I'm trying to say is that as soon as you get in, you're probably gonna experience some resistance. Some support coming in because the support came right there earlier at 36, and who knows, this may be even a higher low too. So support may even come in earlier.
Yeah.
Whereas if you just wait for it to get underneath that pivot in the first place as a level 2, I think you got a better.
You're right. Yeah.
Oh, look at that Oracle! I'm glad I got out. Look at that. Came back down.
USO. Level
oh yeah, the USO, the oil. USO oil. Let's see. Ooh, dang! Look at that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if anything, also see where the 20 period moving average on X is. X's 20 period is up at like 31, 48, 58 or something.
Yeah.
Wait for that 20 to catch up. It's gonna, and as long as X can stay below the VWAP and go sideways and go sideways and go sideways, and that 20 catches up, it's gonna be one of those make it or break it moments where it's either gonna break over the 20 and set up for a long to squeeze back up towards like support, or it's gonna finally snap. But either way, you'll have a great trade as long as you just flow with the 20.
Yeah. Want a BA going up? Oh, BA, the 15-minute triggers.
Yeah. Let's go. It's so good. Let's go without us. All these things I'm passing on. Made about 4 Rs. So I think if I call it a day now, it's probably a good idea. I'm just gonna watch things and I'll see. You know, my bet is J.P. Morgan ends the downtrend, ends the bleeding with a doji bar, and then goes back up, and it becomes a really nice level one. That's what I'm thinking. And then I think right here, BA probably pulls back.
Yeah. Dang it, give back all my profit on Tesla and X.
Oh, crap.
So I think I'm just gonna call it a day.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the X entry would have been really good up with that level one, but not where you enter it, because you entered late, you know?
Yeah, I enter really late.
Yeah.
That's chasing. That's
Yeah, like think about this. If you're going to enter a level one, or you're going to enter a level two, but don't enter them in between, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much yeah, this is the kind of thing that that screw me over, this kind of thing, that kind of trade.
Yeah, exactly. Same with me. Like, let's see, what's HPE doing now?
So I need to recognize this. Oh, GM triggers.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Take a look at HPE, right? It's the same thing. It's just chop fast.
You're gonna do the GM, see what happens with this one.
Oh, that's a good one. It's the 8 caught up, so it's not bad. Just give yourself a little bit of a smaller shares to compensate for the fact that the 20 was not there yet. But other than that, it looks great. Looks pretty good. I think Boeing probably gets to 159.50.
Oh, damn it. Look at AES. I was thinking about going along on it, but
look at VIPS.
Yeah.
Now it's at a good place to possibly go long. But it's underneath all the VWAP too. But it's at the 20. Oh yeah, that's nice. AES. I'm gonna try a short here, special sauce on BA soon. Let's see if I get the consolidation that I wanted. JP Morgan might go on. It's not ready yet, but it looks good. All right, JP Morgan triggering 2-minute long.
Are you in?
No. No, I'm just watching it.
Is the Oracle gonna go down, man? Pull back down.
It certainly seems like it. Lower high. I mean, yeah, lower high right there. Yeah, I might try a JP Morgan long right here.
Damn, it could be A. What a
I know, look at that. There it goes. I'm going to short BA right after this bar.
special sauce thing.
Look at NX. Went all the way back to the VWAP.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, SYF looks good for more downside. Just waiting for it to get up there.
SYF is moving up.
Yeah. I think it's going to get up to the VWAP here. Oracle.
I take a long on this Baba.
Nice. Yeah, Baba's good. Let's see, Baba.
No?
Yeah, no. I think you're right. I think it's triggering a level 1.
Yeah.
It's below the VWAP, below the moving average, but hey, if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. You know. It looks good. I'm doing it. I like it. I'm in that GM with you, so hopefully that works. What my stop loss now? Right there. Okay.
This AES has this new high value here, so
AES.
yeah.
Okay. Is it a downtrend too with the new high failure?
On the daily, no, it's on the daily it's more like a downtrend stuff.
Okay.
Oh, GM may be working.
Yeah, I think so. I think this SYF might be working too.
Baba is BA is working.
I jumped into JP Morgan. Hopefully this actually works this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out this Baba 2 minute not working.
Yeah. I'm gonna get out. Uh-oh. I did not mean to do that. Oh crap.
What happened?
I meant to get out of something and I accidentally went short on it
Oh,
instead of getting out on it.
And then you reverse it?
Yeah, accidentally.
well, GM is starting to work.
Yeah.
Come on, BA, drop already.
Oh yeah, special saucing. That's what I'm doing, yeah.
Oh, this AES is not working for me.
Very slow. Okay, my next trade's gonna be SYF to the downside. I'm just waiting for it to get up to VWAP.
Oh wow, GM, nice.
Yeah, GM's going great. Gotta keep it going, keep it going.
Come on, BA, drop.
I don't know. I think BA is above the moving averages now on the 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm a little worried on that. Okay, here's SYF. Getting up to that area that I wanted to go short on.
Tesla. Nike might have some room.
Yeah. All right. What's your thoughts on taking Oracle long this time? Level 1 right here. I like it. I'm
looking,
gonna try it.
yeah, looks good. Oh, same with Baba. Could be a long too.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think it's gonna. Yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Baba looks good.
Getting out of this
BA
BA.
looks good for a long.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna pop up. JP Morgan also looks good for a long. Over that 2 minute. Well, I'm gonna wait for a 5 minute, of course, because that's way better. But okay, Oracle, come on, buddy. Let's get the move.
Date trigger.
Oh, you getting the Oracle again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. It has a higher low now, so hopefully it works. I also like this VIPS long right here too.
Nike could be more to the downside.
Nike, yeah. All right, BA, come on, buddy, keep going. Some resistance right there. Okay, I'm out of GM. It was looking good, but now it's not looking so good. So we'll see. My next setup is going to be SYF. Just got to wait for it to get to trigger. It might actually trigger a little bit higher up at the 20 here. All right, BA is looking good.
Yeah.
Come on. I want to see BA up at the VWAP here before I try to short it. Oracle. VIPS, sorry, SYF. Okay. Baba, I'm going to take that long. Let's see if we get a move here. VIPS looks good for a long. Looks pretty good. There we go. Come on. If the market bounces, then it's going to take everything with it. But right now, it doesn't look like it's going. Oh, come on, Oracle. Oracle may roll over. Let's see.
Yeah, it didn't trigger me in yet. So, see.
Yeah, it needs to break over that 5-minute bar.
Baba triggers me in.
Yeah, I'm in Baba.
Yeah, market going up. Nike is now going up also.
Yeah. Oh, X finally triggering right around here at the 20, level 1, but wait for that. Okay, Baba is good. Yay. Working.
Oh, look at NX.
NX. Nice. Yeah, that's great. You're in that one, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's good.
Then I was being greedy on the AES. I let all that profit go. I gave up all the profit,
Oh, crap.
and I come back up. Oracle could be a short.
I know. I know. We'll see what happens with that 20. Yeah, I think it could be a short. We'll see. It's in between, you know?
It's right in between. Yeah. Just not so.
It's triggering a level 1 right into the 20. I don't know if I want to try it, but yeah.
Freaking DA, man. Everything time right today. Go in
Oh, yeah.
and then go against me. Go in, go against me.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get out. Freaking.
Yeah, I got out of Baba too. Underneath the moving average, so yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at Oracle. Hmm.
I don't know. Yeah, it hit that 20 and snapped right back up.
Yeah.
Really, really cautious trying to short it. I think more of a long, just above the.
Hey, Wells Fargo.
Yeah, still going down.
Yeah, it may break previous low, previous bar low.
Jeez.
So maybe we can short here.
Yeah, possibly. Let's see. Wells Fargo. That's WFC.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that looks great. That actually looks great.
You still in GM?
No, I think I got out. Let me see. Yeah. Got out of that one. Should I jump back in? Let's see. Yeah, I'll jump back in underneath the green bar. Wow. Okay. Really loving this SYF here. Just waiting for it to trigger. Could go in early on a 2-minute.
Alright, Nike is working.
Oh, nice.
Oh my God, JP Morgan.
Yeah. Yeah, no bouncing yet.
Still going down, jeez.
Did you guys see SIRI?
No, unless you mentioned it. I didn't see it, no.
Oh, I was on my scanner today. But it's weird, it say like it's up like I don't know why it's saying it's up like 800%, but then when I look at it,
Oh,
it's
weird.
It's a pre-market.
gap down. It's weird, so I didn't even bother to watch it. Oh, Nike going on great for me.
Yeah.
I know it's down. Why they said up?
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
This is the weird.
Maybe it has a reverse split or something.
Tesla?
No, that stock you guys mentioned.
Oh, I don't know.
Usually it won't be updated that quickly for I think was when. No,
Okay.
there's no reverse split or anything. It's kind of strange. Oh, BA could be a short.
Yeah, it could be a little scalp short. Back into the moving averages here. I'm looking at this SYF here.
Two minutes for the SYF.
Yeah. Could go 5 minutes, but yeah, it just triggered 2 minutes. So I'm trying it on the 2 minute for a little bit, and then gonna add if it, does a 5 minute. JP Morgan looks like it's bottoming. That could be interesting. Could try it on a 2 minute if it ever triggers.
SYF is too strong.
Yeah, it looks too strong. Okay, Baba looks great for more upside.
Yeah, freaking Baba, man. I'm like bleeding myself out with Baba.
Your stops are way too tight. Way too tight,
Yeah, I think so.
Because if your stop was really underneath the pivot, then you'd still be in it, right?
That's the thing, though. I'm like basically, you just regardless to how I guess I would say the share side is a factor, but I would just be in and out with it. Like even if I have my stop wide, I think because like
Yeah.
what is doing? What's it doing?
Yeah, totally. I know.
I watch ASO.
All right. Trying a long on JP Morgan here for fun. Here we go. 2 minute just triggered.
I'm watching that too, JP Morgan. So we're at the bottom, so we can long.
Yeah. Well, the 2 minute triggered, but might not mean anything.
Oh, Wells Fargo broke the low.
Oh crap. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's not good. And then we got this GM.
Oh my God, BA is working.
Yeah, BA is working.
Okay, Wells Fargo, good.
Oh, GM is breaking the low.
Yeah, I jumped back in, so hopefully we get the move.
Let's see. I don't think I can add to it. Oh my God. ATC. Heck.
You didn't eat your food, and you didn't go outside.
All right. Okay, JP Morgan just triggered a level 1. I'm taking it
JP
long.
Morgan looks good.
Yeah, hopefully it works.
Same as Wells Fargo, almost.
Mm-hmm.
Check out SoFi, SOFI.
Oracle looks like a short now. Look at guys.
Yeah, I'm still in it short.
Rolling over now finally.
Yeah, I'm still in it short.
You're an Oracle short? Wow.
Yeah. Send that level 1 at the VWAP.
Nice.
Let me see. It's in the range right now, so I'm gonna take a partial just in case.
Yeah.
Jason, your AVGO.
What's up? What's up? AVGO, AVGO.
I remember you posted the pre-market, right?
Oh yeah, what happened to it?
Up.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Would be a good trade.
Yeah.
What thing about Ally here?
Ally? Let me take a look. ALLY, right?
Yep.
It could be a short, could be a long. I don't know. This moment in time, I don't know.
It's right at the VWAP, right at the 20.
Yeah.
Wells Fargo. It's a trigger without me.
Let's see.
You son of freaking gun, man.
What? Which one?
So Ally.
Oh, Ally. Oh. Did it just trigger short?
It's sugar show, but then look at it's still me in that's the worst spot.
Oh, interesting.
Well, this is a penny stock. I'm not sure you guys still want to trade it. BKY.
BKY. Look at that SYF. Wow.
Yeah. Still no 5-minute trigger, right? Isn't that crazy?
GM still going down.
Yeah, I'm adding more. I think it's okay to add more. We'll see. It's 60 now. Let's see.
Okay, I think I should not be greedy on Oracle and just like. Oh wow. Oracle is nice.
Yeah, Oracle's working.
Still don't think I should be greedy on that one.
Yeah, probably not a good idea. All right. So I got this JP Morgan long, and hopefully it works. Doesn't look so good.
No, it's below the moving average, so be careful.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to grind lower. Just going to get out here. But I like this SYF now a lot more. on, buddy. Come on, SYF. Just triggered. Let's see if we can get back through. I think GM's done, bud. Yeah, I think GM's done. That wasn't a good sign. But then again, the bar's not done.
Yeah. SYF, huh?
Yeah, I'm thinking pops underneath here, gets back down to the VWAP here. Looks good. You know, and I look at JP Morgan actually. Looks interesting to take it long. SYF. Come on, buddy. A little lower. A little lower.
Alright, I'm out of PM. Wow.
Yeah. You could take it long, maybe. Be a Hikaki bar. I don't know. It's tricky.
Kind of tricky, yeah. But yeah, definitely could be a limit scalp to the upside, maybe.
Yeah. Come on. I'll try it long for fun. Let's see if we get a move on GM back to the 20. Good, there we go. All right, GM's working a little bit.
Yeah, very
My
nice.
plan is, I think, back to the 20-period moving average. And I don't think I'm going to try a long on JP Morgan anymore, but I don't think I'm going to try a short either. I think the way it's been selling off, is very, what's it called? Grindy.
Hmm.
And I'm recognizing that those are the worst ones. Those are the ones that get really bad.
Yeah.
Are the grinds. So if I want to take this long, I think it has to prove itself to me by getting over a particular moving average. But other than that, my bias is going to remain to the downside because it's not even climactic. It's like almost like it. Maybe the sellers stopped selling, but buyers aren't picking it up right now.
Yeah.
You know, they don't care. Yeah. I like your ALLY though. That's looking nice.
Yeah, let's hope we can keep going now. The average, moving average is.
Hey, you want to see something? Take a look at SIRI.
SIRI.
You guys were mentioning that earlier, that it was up a certain percentage, and we're like, what the heck is going on? Look at this stock now.
It's weird. I mean, it's shown on the thing like it's up 800%, but then look at this thing why it's capped down. Why is it up? But,
Yeah, it's super weird, huh?
yeah.
It's super strange.
Alright, Allies doing better.
Yeah. I like this Oracle now even more. Look at this. It's underneath all the moving averages now. Wow. Okay.
Except that it's trying to go back up.
JP Morgan is going down again. It's a very shallow pullback. But just might be grinding down.
Yeah. Oh, look at Ally. Dang it. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Are you still in GM?
I am, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm thinking we get up to that 20, and then we can sell off from there.
JPM could be missed the entry. JPM could be even more to the downside.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's like, this is not a good stock to try to catch the bottom. Look at how bearish this chart is for the day. I think it's going to sell off the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Maybe at a very slow pace, like what it's doing now, but I don't think trying to catch the bottom is a good idea.
Yeah.
I think if you do catch the bottom, you got to be nimble. Like, you get in there, you get one bar move, you get out. You don't try to, you don't try to hold and hope for it's going to get back up to the VWAP or anything like that. I don't think it's got enough strength based off of whatever news is going on with this stock. I don't think there's enough strength to even get back up to VWAP. I think the sell programs are kicked in, and this thing is going to keep selling.
Let me add to this Oracle short.
Looks okay, yeah. If you really want to get the good short on Oracle, wait for that 20-period moving average to cross down, to be facing down. But all in all, it does look good. If you do add very small though. I don't want you to ruin your winning trade.
For Oracle?
Yeah, like if you add now and then this 3-bar play ends up failing, you're gonna ruin your winning trade. So probably a good idea.
All right, just triple the size. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. You're just going for the whole account. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. All right.
What the heck is that?
I don't know, but I just got out of that. I don't know what the heck that was.
You got out of the top?
No, unfortunately, I didn't. I didn't get out on the top. If I had been watching, maybe I don't even think it was possible.
I don't think it's possible. Yeah.
Yeah. No, as soon as I saw it spike and then started coming back down and freaking out, I decided, okay, that's it, because that's what happened on the SPY that one day. We got that huge moves.
Yeah.
And then it stopped. That was it. So, yeah,
All right.
Unfortunately, that spike ruined it for me. I don't want to even trade it now to the downside. My plan was to short it after it hit the 20. But now, who knows what it's doing. I think sometimes those things that happen are like, I'm just guessing, but I think the market makers can see where all the stops are. So maybe there's a lot of stops like located at 45.34 or something. And when I mean by a lot of stops, I mean like a lot of shares just sitting there like, hey, and all these people shorting it, right?
Yeah.
And all they have to do is bring it up to 45.34. And because they can also pull the bids or pull the asks, they'll bring it up to the stop loss place to where all the stops get triggered. But then they'll also take all the asks. Like, you know how when you look at level 2, you have asks and bids?
Yeah.
They'll take the asks that would normally be above little bits above every price, like 45.34, 45.35, 45.36, like all the different levels. They'll take those asks and they'll pull them. It's called pulling them. By pulling them, what happens is instead of a nice move that the stock goes up gradually through each level, it doesn't have levels anymore. So it's almost like it takes the elevator because there's no level. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a very manipulative thing, but it's, and I think it's illegal too, but they do it all the time because they theoretically they have to be the buyer and seller of last resort, but that doesn't mean that they can't just
Yeah.
screw with you.
Unfortunately, allies going against me now, and so is SoFi. Dang it.
Well, you should get out right above that doji bar.
Yeah, which I did.
Okay, good.
That's sad.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day now. After that little move on GM, that was enough to make me put a sour taste in my mouth.
Yeah. Thinking SoFi maybe need to be long now.
Let's see. SOFI. Yeah. I mean, well, still, if you go long right now, where's your target is that red bar. Red bar's high, so it's so close. I would just wait for it at least to get it over the level 2 to go long.
Yeah.
But then again, if you feel like it's gonna just break that pivot right there and it's not gonna mean anything, then go for it. But I don't think it's a good idea to take it long yet. It may even trigger another secondary signal, right? We've seen this happen before. You get a level 1, it triggers a scent, and then you get sideways little chop, annoying stuff that happens, and then it breaks underneath the new pivot. And that's the secondary signal that's even better.
Can I get our oracle on this 2 minutes?
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, it looks like it looks like there's support right here. All right, I'm closing things down. That's it. I can't deal with this crap anymore. I really wanted to short SYF, but it's going nowhere. And now it's above the 8, the 20, and the VWAP. So, do I think it could still go down? For sure. I think that the stock is still bearish in the bigger context of things, but that doesn't mean that you can't get in and it bounces up against you, goes back up to the pivot, 45, 44, then comes back down. Finally, after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, rolls over. Those kind of things. And it's like, do I want to sit with that? I don't think so. I don't want to sit in there waiting.
Yeah.
So I'm going to close it down. Yeah, I made a little bit about 4 hours.
Nice.
Yeah, not too bad. I had some mistakes on JP Morgan that I think could have been easily avoided if I just didn't even go for it. And then also the SYF, trying to short it early.
Yeah.
Off the 2 minutes. So stupid. I don't even analyze on the 2 minutes. Why am I doing that?
Exactly. Yeah.
So funny. It's just like that greed of if I do a 2 minute, I'm gonna have more money on the table. It's like, you will, but also you have more loss on the tail, more loss potential, because 2 minutes just doesn't even mean anything in the grand scheme of things. All right. Close it down. What? I don't have any working orders. What the heck? Gosh, I hate it. Thinkorswim always does this to me. Oh, it's good. SYF, I think, is going to work pretty soon.
SoFi trigger level 1.
Yeah, there you go. I'm glad you didn't go long on it.
No.
Yeah, so now, but I wouldn't have taken that level 1. I would have waited for the level 2 to break.
Level
But
2. I'm gonna add to it on a level 2.
okay, cool. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, the only reason why I wouldn't have taken level 1 is I think it's a scalper style level 1
Yeah, that's
because
true.
your level 2 is right there. But now, if it gets through the level 2, then yeah, that's cool. I guess that's not bad though. I mean, it's cool. It's a lower high.
Could be like a secondary entry kind of thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Underneath there, secondary entry. WFC just triggered a level 1 too. I'm gonna close it down. I keep seeing things. All right, guys. Well, how you doing? How's everyone doing?
Oh, not good.
I am down 2 hours.
Okay, that's not bad. What was the culprit on getting down 2 hours?
Nvidia.
You try to catch the dip or something?
No, I traded because it was a previous high, so I'm trying to trade it when the market opened, and I couldn't close that fast, so end up, lost 2 hours.
Did you notice in the morning the platform was incredibly slow?
So slow. I always they never trigger me.
Yeah, I was in the Oracle before the market opened because I went in pre-market. But then the funny thing is I tried to get out. I pressed the sell button after I got a nice pop in my favor, and it wouldn't get me out. So I had to cancel the order, and I tried it again. Cancel the order. So then I said, screw it. So then I just held. And so when you guys called, I was like, yeah, I'm still in Oracle because basically my platform wouldn't let me get out of the trade. So it was a blessing. It was a blessing in disguise because I made more money on the stock. But had it had gone against me, I mean, that would have been awful. Mm-hmm. And I was even getting ready to call Charles Schwab to be like, hey, I can't get out of my trade. And I remember that exact thing happened on Street Smart Edge. It's really scary. Thankfully, my R unit is only $15, but I mean, just imagine you're in it, $15 R unit. It goes against you. You're down $15. You press the button to get out, and it won't get you out. And then you're down now $30. Press it again. Still, you have to call up. By the time you get somebody a hold, maybe you lost $5 on the trade. Mm-hmm. They're not going to refund it either. They're going to be like, oh well,
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. You sign. That thing you sign when you trade with us says that we're not responsible for your internet outages, and they're like, that wasn't an internet outage. It's like, wow, okay, you guys are tricky, very tricky. Hi, buddy. Hi, Theon. I'm going to give you your dinner. Your breakfast. I know, handsome. I know. I gotta check to see if I have working orders here because this platform is such a stupid thing. All right, working orders. Okay, no working orders. I go to positions. I should be flat on everything. Okay, hold on, buddy. Okay. Okay, buddy. Hold on. I know. Hold on. I know. Shh. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. TA, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm only down 5 all, getting to my 6 all down kind of thing.
What? No. What is going on, man?
Yeah, too tight stop. Too many.
Okay, that's it.
Too many patterns.
Yeah, tonight, if you have time, you got to call me and we got to just go over every single trade and analyze it and figure out what you're doing and stop it. Because you don't even worry about getting profits. Just stop the bleeding,
Yeah, look at Baba. Look at that. That's how I bleed.
Yeah, and the thing is, Baba's not doing anything, right?
Yeah.
It's just It's stuck in this range. That's all. So like if you had gone long on it and you just held, you'd be at break even probably. Just doing nothing with that trade. It'd probably be a break even trade right now.
Yeah. That's the story of my trading lately. It's like every time I get into a stock that is in a range, I just kill myself.
I know, and that's the thing is we don't know it's going to be in a range or not, right? Like there's no way of knowing it's going to be in a range or not. But there are a couple things you can do that give you a hint. One, if you're taking level ones that are really, really narrow and not deep, most likely it's going to be a range because ranges tend to not have big multi-bar ups or multi-bar downs, right? Unless they're a big range, which is fine that you're in that big range. At least you have a target to the low, right? But if you get into a level one and it's a 1 bar, 2 bar move up and you short that second bar and you've got a bar and a half until the low, you're basically asking to be stuck in a range, right?
Yeah.
And then the other thing that you could do is yes, you don't know you're going to be in a range, so you get in a range. But what if you give yourself a really, really wide stop? So the range won't matter because if you're in a range, right, theoretically, when you go red a little bit on the trade, and it's going to go back in your favor eventually because it's a range.
Yeah.
So eventually you can just get out of it break even. Like, for instance, HPE, I noticed that it wasn't going anywhere. It was becoming a range. So I said, you know what? I'm going to get out break even. And I was able to just get out break even rather than having to worry about the range because I noticed it was a range. So I think, yeah.
Ai giúp chị phân nửa con cha.
Yep.
Well, like I said, I'm here for you. If you want to go over trades and really change your trading, because you've got some really great attributes as a trader.
Gosh, look at Ally, so I pick at level 1. Of course, now that's going, and I'm like, what? What the heck? Look at that! Oh my god! Now it's breaking level 2.
Level 2. There you go. Yeah. I thought you were in Ally.
I was, and then I got stopped out, and then I'm like, I don't know.
Okay, did you get stopped out for full R loss or just a small portion, small loss?
Ally, I think maybe half an hour loss or something.
And then you could have just gotten back in on the level 2.
Yeah, that's like the secondary entry, but then I'm like, it's above that 20s. Do I want to go against the 20, you know what I mean?
Oh, it was above the 20?
It's above the 20.
Okay, hold on, let me see, because it didn't look like it was above the 20 for me.
It's above the 20. Alright, SYF is working. Come on. Let's see, go in.
JP Morgan still down.
Yep, still going down.
Okay, let's take a look at this SYF thing. I mean, not SYF, but the one that you... Which one is it? The one that you were... That gave you a hard... That you missed?
Oh, that I missed?
Oh, that you were like, oh my gosh, it's going.
ALLY?
Okay, you said it was above the 20?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And look at that, it bounced at the 20 again.
Okay, yeah, then yeah, you were right. I think the only good entry right there was basically the first level 1 that occurred at the VWAP. And then if you wait, you would stop out, you would take a partial, and then it would come back up towards your entry. And as long as it didn't break the VWAP, so now basically if it gets below 33.14, that would be the secondary signal underneath the pivot. And then what was the other one that was very similar to Ally? That was...
Oh, SoFi. SOFI.
Oh gosh, okay, so SoFi and Ally, yeah.
But SoFi actually going much stronger.
Yeah, SoFi is above, yeah. Okay, and what about the one that I was trading?
What, GM?
No, not GM.
Baba?
No, the one that was pulling back up that I was hoping to short, SYF maybe?
SYF, I'm still in that short.
Okay, great. So that one's working, and then we're at the 20 now.
We're at the 20 now. I should be taking a partial.
Yeah, exactly. Because there's a chance that this is just going to basically find a range.
Yeah.
You know, and then let me take a look at GM. What happened to GM after I exited?
Sideways.
Oh my gosh! Wow. In fact, that was, I guess, a good exit. But I wish I had shorted it if I didn't have that spiky bar, I would have shorted that level 1 on GM, and it would have worked so good.
Oh yeah, another one that kind of got to me is AES.
AES. Okay, let me take a look. AES.
So you know how I shorted it earlier?
Yeah.
Come down and then kind of went up, and then like kind of like give back off the potential profit.
Okay.
Then it went long, and then I got out because it's not moving, and then it's
no.
pop up. And so I'm like, I'm gonna try to go long again, and now look at that, it's going down.
Yeah, it's stuck in a range too. And even if you shorted it here, there's a chance that it's gonna go back up against you.
I mean, it's too late to short now, but
yeah.
What is wrong with JP Morgan?
Yeah. It's. I mean, like I think the sell programs are stuck on for a while today.
so
I mean, we're getting close to some support, but this could go climactic before it ever, before it ever stops. Let's see, what's the low of that? Maybe to 200. Oracle's stuck in a range too. You can really see these ranges forming. They just hit prior pivots and they bounce. That's why when you were going to short that level, the one level, whatever, I was like, watch out, because you basically, if you look to the left, there's that prior green bar.
Mm.
And sure enough, it went almost to the closeness of that, and then boom, there's a level 1 to the upside. So if you want to play these ranges, just disregard the moving averages and basically just trade these pivots, highs and lows. I mean, there's a lot of people that's what they trade. It's just they don't think about the pivots. They don't think about the moving averages. They just go with the, if it's got a pivot, you go up. And level 1's just basically all the time.
Yeah, definitely one of the things that got to me is I think being greedy might be a big contribution too.
Yeah. No, I understand. I totally understand. Let's see here. Well, also, the market, it was very difficult in the morning.
Yeah. I mean, the morning I was fine with up like 2 and then I was break even, and then I'm down 1 and then down 2 and now I'm down 6
Yeah.
Oh my god, AES. Oh, Jesus Christ. My.
Which one?
AES?
Oh, that one that you mentioned. Okay.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, that's a nice drop.
Oh my gosh. Right to VWAP too.
Right to VWAP. Right to top.
What the heck? Yeah, man. It's
Oracle special sauce 20.
Yeah, it could. I mean, you're in that range, so it's just a range thing right now, for sure.
Too late to enter. Too late to enter.
Yeah.
Alright, SYF. I'm balling down. Don't fail me. because I love you.
So romantic.
Yeah. You gotta talk sweet to the
Yeah,
stock.
exactly.
So they know you mean, they know, even though you want the stock to go down
Yeah.
and do poorly.
Yeah.
You mean good. You mean well.
Mm-hmm.
I think JP Morgan bought them out right here.
Oh yeah, could be.
Yeah, you think so? Let's see.
I think so because I have my support 201.
It's definitely on weekly. Look like it's hitting the 20.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Is it gonna
Yeah, it could do a level 1 right here.
is it gonna
It's
bounce
gonna
right
trigger
away?
a level 1. And if it does, I could see it getting back up to the 20 pre-moving average. So that would be about a 5-point move. Although it's not triggering yet, so.
Mm-mm.
I mean, I'm not gonna do it because I'm not on my computer. But I see what you're seeing. Let's take a look at to make things a little bit cleaner. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Okay, interesting. Why not just wait for a 15-minute bar to finish and take it over the long of the actual 15-minute bar rather than doing 5 minutes? Well, look which one do you think looks more climactic, the 5-minute or the 15? Right, the 5 minutes a grind.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I've ever tried to go against this type of trend, I get destroyed. That's why when you told me about JP Morgan, I was crying because I wanted to go into the trade. I would have gone into the trade earlier, and this would have been like the most magnificent winner of the whole day. But this 5 minute doesn't look climactic, does it? Even the 2 minutes grinding. I mean, maybe it bottoms here, but if I wait for a 15-minute to finish and then I take it over the 15-minute, I think that's a little bit better of a trade for me, because I can see I'm trying to find out which I don't need to be the first person into the trade, I just want to have something that has higher odds. So even if I'm late on the trade, as long as I know that we're triggering the first 15-minute new high, I think I'd be a little bit more excited about that. You got, it's almost there. Struggling to go lower. I will tell you one thing. It does seem like the buyer, not the buyers, but the sellers are a little bit slowing down their momentum. Does it mean that the buyers are going to step in? I don't know. It doesn't seem like that way for me. In the back of my mind, I'm always thinking about, Sammy saying something like, this isn't a long, like this isn't climactic, Jason. And I'm like, okay, you're right. It's not climactic. And then of course it works without him. And I'm like, why did I listen to that guy?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess just like everything, there's always going to be instances where even though something isn't climactic, it's still going to work to the upside because of the whatever happens. But man, look at that. I mean, it just triggered a 5 minute. Do you see what happened? That's another person that got trapped. So I wouldn't take these 5 minutes at all. They look grindy.
Look at SoFi. I jumped in at the 20 VWAP break and fell.
Okay, let me take a look. SoFi. Yeah, nice.
Ooh, Oracle.
What is it? What's going on? I feel like I'm missing things now, guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, okay. Okay, nothing yet. You're thinking short it?
It's at the VWAP. It's at the 20. It's really not. It's not really as good as that SoFi because it's.
Yeah, I'd stay away from Oracle. It looks like
it's only level 1. Yeah, West.
You might get a level 1 here, but at the same time, you're in an uptrend. The stock is bullish. You're shorting against an uptrend. stock that's bullish.
Yep, and it's in range, so.
Yeah, exactly. You probably do better, finding something that has a cleaner thing.
That's SoFi. Let's try to go up.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey, sweetie pie. Yeah. All right. Yeah, back in my early trading career, if you could even call it a career, back in my early trading, experience, that JP Morgan, I would be trying to go long all day long.
Because you wanna capture that reversal before everyone else.
I'd be revenging it basically. Like, no way can it go against me, And then it goes against me, and then I might, the worst is I would even average down. So there are people that are averaging down on these level ones. They get triggered in, they go in, it fails them. Oh no, actually even worse. There are people that don't even use level ones, that are just buying red bars and hoping that they bounce. And when they go against them, they're averaging down. They're hoping that eventually there's going to be a big enough bounce to get them back to break even. Yeah. And now they're probably down multiple R's, and they don't even know what an R unit is. So they basically don't have that idea in mind. But if someone told them, how much are you supposed to risk on the trade? They'd say, risk? I didn't know I had that, what? Risk? Oh, I'm down half of my account today. That kind of person, so those are the types of person I was. So if anything, I'm happy that I'm just not trying to go long on JP Morgan today.
That SoFi was a good entry, but it went back to my break even, so I decided to get out.
Nice.
Could be a mistake, could keep going, but...
Well, the cool thing is if it goes against you and it gets to break even and you get out, you can always get back in, right?
Yeah, but in one bar though? You know what I mean?
Oh, you're saying so the bar that got you in is the same bar that got you out?
No, I mean, I got in the previous bar, but then this bar is kind of come back to my break even, so...
Okay. That's okay. Remember what happened to Oracle?
Yeah.
You get into a trade, it goes against you, and then afterwards it turns into a better bar?
Yeah.
So I think it's okay as long as the bar, But yeah, I think better would be, at least a bar later, right? Mm-hmm. That's a little bit more time and a little bit more realistic that that's going to work, but yeah. All right.
Oh, don't tell me, go down.
Yeah. All right. There you go, Theon. Good doggy.
Yeah, the problem with that, I got in kind of late, that's why.
Oh. That's always, and that's the tricky part, is getting in late.
JP Morgan
ruins the whole thing.
Could be a night catch.
Which one?
JP Morgan.
Oh, you guys are still going for it. All right.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Right.
I'm not sure about going for it, though. I'm just
Let's
watching
see, JP Morgan.
and see if it's going to happen or not, but...
it looks okay. 15-minute finished. Yeah, basically above the 15-minute bars high. The previous 15-minute bars high, and then your basically target's going to be 203. So you don't have that best of a target, but you have a high odds. For sure. Yeah. The odds are very high of it working. I think that, and then yeah, to 203 around there. I think that's your target. So it's like a 1-to-1. It's not bad. I think based off of odds wise, pretty good. And then if it starts to act funky on the 5 minute when you're in, like let's say it goes up and then starts being weird and then comes back, it's probably gonna be most likely it'll probably be a break even trade.
Okay.
Like, I don't know. Yeah. I'm curious. Will it actually move the correct way or will it move all jaggedy and screw with everybody?
Alright, SYF. Let's see, maybe we can go to the low day.
Which one?
SYF?
Oh, really?
I don't know. Hopefully. I don't think it will.
Yeah, no, I think it looks good. It's at it's got to break underneath the 20, but once it gets underneath the 20, yeah.
Yeah.
That one I should have held. I just wanted to call it a day. Yeah, that would have been really nice.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get the feel of trap buyers or trap sellers.
Yeah,
That way, but yeah, this SYF actually was kind of, I think it was a good trade on my part. So we got that doji at the top, so I enter, and then just not going anywhere. And then I was like, if it's break below that, level, would be would be nice. So I add to that, and to the Porsche at the 20. So it was I think like my best trade today is that one.
Oh, nice.
My worst
Well,
trade was,
I'll tell you one thing. If you want to get good at identifying traps, where the trap buyers and trap sellers are, just keep getting trapped yourself.
Yeah, exactly, right? That's why
you realize where you keep buying.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, now I like that new high failure kind of trade, like AES.
Yeah.
My stop, if I just keep it at the high of day, it would just keep me in that short.
I know.
Because it's never breaking.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to be like, that's the thing too. Like I'm trying to stick with the rule, go with the trend. So I'm like, you know what? It's not going, so I should be looking for long with the trend. And of course, that trend is fell.
I know, yeah. Well, I think one thing we should talk about is what is the trend? Because sometimes we think we're going with the trend because maybe the 23rd moving average is overpriced or whatever, and we think we should be shorting.
I'm thinking that the trend is good for. I mean, often some trends are like just so strong that just keep going like throughout the day, right? And that does happen quite often.
Yeah.
But then we have trend that just like make one candle move,
Yeah.
So like we have to find that balance.
And sometimes there's no trend, like for instance, like it seems like HPE right now. I mean, technically speaking, it's a downtrend on maybe a higher time frame. But if you look at that 5-minute time frame, there's no trend.
Yeah, it's not range right now.
So maybe the idea of go with the trend is good, but you have to make sure that you also give yourself the stop loss that it deserves based off of that trend. Like if the trend is really an hourly trend, then don't try to trade a 5-minute entry. Give it one block.
JPM level 1 to the downside. There you go. And
alright, be careful. Be careful. This is where it's getting a little tricky.
SYF is going down still.
Oh my god, amazing. That was a beautiful level 1 to the upside too. That one I'm gonna keep that one
Right?
for a climactic
Yeah.
to remind myself. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this. I'm putting together all the like I want to have a really good picture of every setup that I do.
Yeah.
That is based off of the strategies, and then I can kind of put that as a poster on my wall and remind myself. And I found some really good transition trades, and then this is the climactics. That's beautiful. Yeah.
Did you do that yet, Jason? The poster.
I did. I just didn't like the pictures that I had gotten, so I'm getting better pictures now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So when you are done, can you share?
Of course. Yeah.
$400.
Yeah, 4,000. 4,000.
How
It's
about
gonna be
friendship discount?
okay. I'll give it to you guys for 2,000 then, because and then also a free month in my trading room.
1 free month of the
Then you make a
subscription.
spaghetti chart.
Yeah, I actually, by the time when you guys see it, it just looks like a bunch of trend lines. It looks like I have I use like stochastics, RSI, the fib lines, everything plus yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. It will be really easy on your eyes.
You see the stupid J.P. Morgan?
I do, yeah.
You thought it's a bottom out, right?
Well, I said only if it trades over the 15-minute, I'm only going to take it. But did it get over the 15-minute at all?
I would say wait for an hourly chart to see if they have a green candle.
Yeah, exactly. It's not. The sell program is very strong with this one. I'm going to post this chart in the group right now and take a look at something that's really fascinating. Okay. Hold on, I'm almost done with it. I'm pointing to a few things that made this chart so good to the long side.
Look at SYF. Beautiful.
Awesome, man.
Couldn't have asked for better,
I'm so happy for you. I wish I was still in that. I was just an idiot. I got out because I just didn't want to sit in the trade anymore. But there was really no reason. I should have just stayed.
Just the only thing is that my share size is not that big, so.
Well, you'll probably get another entry pattern after when it goes sideways for a little bit underneath the 20.
Yeah.
That's usually the case. Okay, so take a look at this. I'm gonna post this chart.
Dang,
in the room.
JPM would have worked great.
Oh, I know.
You might break the level too.
So this freaking had 10 bars down, 10 consecutive bars down on SYF, right?
Yeah.
And then it put a inside bar, green inside bar, and boom, long over the inside bar was a level 1 to the upside. And that goes all the way to the 20-period moving average. And that was a perfect climactic. That's exactly the type of climactic. And it had the climactic volume too. And it was at a what is it? Reversal time too.
Yeah.
10:30. Around there. So there's a lot of good things going for it.
Gonna call it a day.
Yeah.